In this video, we are going to learn how to factorize a quadratic expression with a big constant, which is, when you look at this, you observe that the constant is big. To solve this question, the first thing that you need to do is identify the coefficient of y. And the coefficient of y is what? Minus 4. Divide it by 2. And if you divide it by 2, we will obtain minus 2. Now, this minus 2, fix it in two different brackets. After fixing it in two different brackets, you do what? You will now make an assumption. Okay? For the assumption, I choose m. So, what I will do now, I will subtract m plus minus 2. I will also equally add m to minus what? 2. And this is the outcome. The next step now will be expanding. I will expand this. Now, in the course of expanding this, we will have minus 2, bracket open, minus 2 plus m. For the next one, we will have minus m, bracket open, minus 2 plus what? Plus m. I will now simplify it. If you multiply this, it will give us 4. Multiply this, it will give us minus 2m. Multiply this, it will give us plus 2m. Multiply this, it will give us minus m squared. Now, equate it to the big constant, which is minus 1845. Okay? For this, we will have 4 minus m squared, because this and this will cancel out, which is equal to minus 1845. Okay, I will now take 4 to the other side, and when I do, the sign will change from invisible plus to minus. We will now have minus 1m squared is equal to minus 1845, then minus 4, which is minus 1m squared is equal to minus 1849. So next thing that I will do now is I will divide both sides by this coefficient of m squared, which is what? Minus 1. So when I divide it, we will have m squared as 1849. For us to obtain the value of m, I will now find the square root of this. 1849, which is 43. Now, this 43, I will take it to this bracket. Okay? So, it will now become minus 2 minus 43. Okay? It will give us what? It will give us minus 45. I will go to the other one and do minus 2 plus 43. It will give us what? Plus 41. Now, for these two values that I obtained now, I will generate two brackets. And in these two different brackets that I will form, I will fix one y here. I will equally fix one y to the other one. Remember that in the first one, what we got is what? Minus 45. So I will fix minus 45 here. For the other one, I will do what? I will fix plus 41. And that will automatically become the answer. Now, if you understand this, my methods, make an attempt. Solve this. X squared minus 2x minus 575. Solve this and drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching me from YouTube, so that you will get notification when I upload new video. But if it is from TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, you give my page a follow. See you in my next video. Bye bye.